Hello, welcome to TechTube. So in this video we will show you how to download and install Eclipse IDE on your Windows 11 operating system, and we will also run the first Java program. So let's start and go to the browser and search for Eclipse, download, and here go to the first website. Click on this download button. Again click on the download button, and the download process has been started here. Here I have downloaded it already, the exe file, so I am going to cancel it and go to the file manager in the download section and double click on it to install. Here this is the interface of Eclipse installer. Here go with this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Here you can also see the options for like C, C++ for PHP, but you want to for Java, then click on this Java developers, and this is the Java JDK 2022 version, so you don't need to install it separately on your system. It is included with this IDE, so just this is checked by default. Click on this install, and the installing process has been started here. It may take several minutes, so just wait. Now the installation completed successfully. After that, click on this launch button. Here you can choose the path here by clicking on the browse option, but this is by default, and check this button to use as the default location and click on the launch. Now click on this file and go with this new, and here you can choose the second option, keep Eclipse IDE being scanned by Microsoft Defender, and click on this proceed button. Click on this file, new and Java project, and here give a project name. and click on this next button. Again click on this finish button and go to the project section. Okay, again you have to create a src folder. So here click on this class option, and here create the class name like demo, and give a package name. Okay, so give your demo 1. And here you have to check this option, public static void main string arguments, and select you have to select here the source folder, and the source folder is first program, and here give the package name, like study, and here sorry, you have to give here a package name, and click on this finish button. Now here print anything. So to print any statement in Java, we use system.out.println, and here write anything like first Java program. And now right click here and run as Java application. Click on this OK, proceed, Okay, we insert here a semicolon, because without it it will not run. Again, run as Java application. Click on this OK button. Why it is showing error? Okay, so you have to insert here double inverted comma. Keep in mind, in the parenthesis in the printing line section, you have to insert the double inverted comma, not single inverted comma. After that it will successfully run. Click on this run as option, Java application, click on this OK button, and here you can see the output first Java program. So this is basically we have seen the how to download and install Eclipse IDE and also run a Java program. So by considering these steps, you can easily download and install this IDE on your Windows 11 operating system as well as on Windows 10. So thanks for watching this video. Let's see in the next video with the new topic.